check for subsequence. The question is they give two string A and B. The task is to check A is a subsequence of B. Now what is subsequence? I take two input of string A and B. All the characters of string A are continuously present in string B, then only it is a subsequence. I take example 1. String A is equal to A x y. String B is equal to y a d x c p. String A character A is present in string B. Next character x is also present in string B, but y not present. Y is not present after x, but y present before A. So it is not a subsequence. Next I take example 2. String all the characters of string A are continuously present in string B. So A is a subsequence of B. Now logic. I take two pointers, one for A pointer for A string, then B pointer for string B. Then I traverse the loop of string B from start to end. Inside the loop, I check string A character is present in string B character. String B, if it is present, I move forward the A pointer. Then I check another condition also. If A pointer value is equal to length of string A, I return true because it is a subsequence. After the end of the loop, I return false. It is not a subsequence. Now I start to code. I declare A pointer int ap is equal to 0. Now I traverse the loop from start to end of string B. For int B pointer is equal to 0, B pointer lesser than B dot length, I increment the B pointer B plus plus. Inside the for loop, I check string A character is present in string B character. If A dot caret ap is equal to B dot caret B pointer. If it is present, I move forward the A pointer ap plus plus. Now I check another condition. If A pointer value is equal to string of A length, if it is true, I return true. It is a subsequence. After end of the loop, finally I return false because it is not a subsequence. Now I compile and run. Now I submit. all the test case passed.